Hi, this is Linda. I'm your paralegal, and today I'm going to show you how to do your financial affidavit. So I know financial affidavits can be really hectic, but I promise you it is super, super simple. So number one, you need to confirm what you are making, whether you are a 1099 employee or you are someone who gets a pay stub. So let's say you're getting paid $500 a week. You're going to multiply that by 52 divided by 12. If you get paid bi-weekly, you're going to multiply that by 26 and then divide by 12. There's not 4 weeks every month, so you can't do it that way. It's done wrong. You're going to do the same thing for your expenses. I'm sorry, deductions, your deductions. And then, of course, your expenses are monthly. So I'm going to show you the two different financial affidavits depending if you make 50,000 or more or under 50,000. So let me go ahead and share my screen. This is not going to take up too much of your time because I know the financial affidavit is time consuming as it is, but I promise to make it as easy as I possibly can. So let's first look at the short form financial affidavit. It gives you, this is the style of the case, which you should already have. If you don't, I'm sure we will provide that to you. You're going to put in your name, your occupation, your business address, and what your pay rate is. Everybody has problems with this and they always put in, let's say 25 per hour. No. Are you paid a set amount? Are you paid weekly, every other week, twice a month, monthly? Do you have the same check every week? If you don't, if you prefer hourly, then click here and type in hourly. So here you're going to put your monthly amount with the math I just showed you or explained to you, sorry. Then you're going to put in your deductions. Then here you're going to put in your expenses. Now, some of my clients use a lot of their expenses on a credit card. Please don't double dip. Do not say that you pay $400 a month on gas and you also pay $400 a month for that credit card that you're putting in for gas. You're double dipping and your expenses are going to be in the high negative, which is not right. So if you are paying certain things with your credit card, just do this. Just put CC here. So we know that you just pay it with your credit card and then just list your credit cards here. So let's say you have a Chase card ending in 0023, and then you have a Chase card ending in 1234, and then you have two different Amexes. You get the picture. So you want to go ahead and do that and just make the changes as you go. So here we have assets and liabilities. So assets are obviously things you own. So you want to put in here what the amounts are. If you have real estate, automobiles, whatever that is, you do want to put in, it's not letting you put in the automobiles you have. Okay. For liabilities, if you have a car loan, put in here what you have. So let's say you drive a 2025 Mustang SUV, you put that in there and you put in what is it that you currently owe. Let's say you still owe $30,000. You're the petitioner, you're going to check that off, so on and so forth. Okay? And then make sure you get this signed. And then now let's look at the long form financial affidavit. It's very similar, but it does ask for more information because obviously you're making more income, right? So scroll down here. So it's going to ask you same thing, legal name, where are you employed, for how long, what is your pay rate, what was last year's income, what is your current income, and it's going to ask you for everything. You have bonuses. Do you have any real estate that you're making money from? All of the income, and then add it here. Please, if you're receiving child support from this current marriage or this current paternity case, please do not list that as income. It is not income. Please do not list it as income. Okay, next thing, household expenses. You're going to put that in here. Everything in the long form is just categorized because people with more money have what? More expenses. So you're going to go ahead and list that here. And then at the very end, you'll still have assets and liabilities, just like the other one I explained to you. It's not a difficult document to fill out. You just need to go through what all your bills are, what all your income is, and it has to be done correctly. And guys, if you own a business, I highly recommend you don't do this yourself and you have a CPA assist you with it. Okay, so I'm going to stop share. I hope this was helpful and explained it to you a lot better, especially with the math and how the math is supposed to be done. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.